Bitcoin continues its strong campaign in 23, the cryptocurrency touching some 18-month highs. Our Dom Chu's tracking that action. Morning, Dom.
All right, Carl, so cryptocurrencies have had a banner week, as you point out here. Prices for the two biggest ones out there, we're talking Bitcoin and Ethereum, up massively just over the course of the last week. And Ethereum right now is catching this kind of big bid over the last couple of days, as you can see here, as we get word that the world's biggest asset manager, that is BlackRock, filed to list an ETF backed by spot Ethereum on the NASDAQ exchange at some point. That's stoking some more optimism that markets could see greater access and perhaps institutional liquidity brought on by an exchange-traded product on a regulated exchange. Now, Ether prices did get over $2,000 per token with that latest move. We're currently $2,088 and change. Now, these are levels that we haven't seen since April. And just for reference, if you go all the way back to that April high here, that was roughly just around 2,124. So that's an idea for reference where we've seen this year. We've also seen that big rise, as Carl points out, in Bitcoin prices over the last couple of weeks. And that was due again in part to just this idea of optimism about a potential regulated exchange-traded product tied to spot Bitcoin at the offing sometime in the not-too-distant future. Again, BlackRock is a name being floated around as the potential home for one of those potential first Bitcoin exchange-traded funds brought to market. Now, as a result here, we are seeing some of the companies tied to crypto, Coinbase, Robinhood. You can see here some upside here as well on the day so far, 2.5% gains there. Also, MicroStrategy holds Bitcoin as an asset. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, popular vehicle by which some investors gain access to crypto. It's been seen rising. It's up about 1% today so far. So just keep an eye on what's happening overall, David. Cryptocurrencies, yes, they are still around. And for some reason, there is a lot of optimism being brought upon by this idea of exchange-traded funds being part of the picture going forward. I'll send things back over.